If you want to write a customized message, sending them to all your past clients and even to your current clients, asking them to write Google review for you so that you can actually be topping the chart when somebody is searching for your business in your locality. Here's how you can export your contacts either from your iPhone or your Android phone. Then use ChatGPT to clean it up. You know that sometimes when you are saving these people name, use some weird things. Sometimes you add some emojis, sometimes you add probably something to use so that you know that this is a customer for this your business. So we are going to use ChatGPT to clean up all of these things so that the contact looks so clean. When you send these customized messages to them, it carries the right initials and also it doesn't look like who is this and was this person calling me. So that's exactly what we are going to do now. So first of all, let's see how we can use an Android phone to do it. Now, once we are done with that, I'm now going to show you how you can use an iPhone to do it as well. So you just open your iPhone and search for contact app on your iPhone. And once it opens, you click on this button that goes back. Then you see where it shows all your contacts here. You click on all contacts, press and hold it. Then you see where it says export. So you just go ahead and click on that export button. It's going to take a while. There's depending on how many contacts you have. As you can see, I have over 8,000 contacts on my list. So it takes a longer period of time for it to finish. All right, so it's done now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select all field and I'll click on that arrow at the top. So now it's going to ask us, how do you want to do it? So do you want to save it to your file or you want to share it with? Now, since I'm going to be using my system to use ChatGPT to do it, if you're using your phone, you can just share it with ChatGPT from that place. But I want to continue with my system. So I'll just drop it to my laptop. All right, so it's done. It's sent to my MacBook already. So let me quickly show you how to use Android phone to do it before we now go to see how to use ChatGPT to clean it. So to use an Android phone, all I need to do is to just look for the contact app on my Android phone. Then I'll click on that setting at the top. Then you see where it says import and export contact. So I want to click on that and I'll see export contact at the bottom of the screen. Then I'll say share all contacts. And that's basically it. So I have to just wait for a while because it takes time to put all this contact together, especially if you have a very large contact. So you want to be patient and wait for it to finish. All right, so it's done as you can see. So it has finished exporting now. So I'll just bring down the notification from the top of the screen. Then I'll just click on that on the finish exporting contact. So I'll just click on it. So the next thing is just to share it with however I want to do it. So you can use WhatsApp to send it to yourself and any other means you can use to transfer it to your laptop. So I have an app called Bleed. I use it to transfer files from my Android phone to my MacBook and also from MacBook to Android phone. So I will just use that to transfer it to my MacBook. All right, so it's done sent to my laptop now. So let's go ahead and use ChatGPT to clean it up now. The next thing we need to do now is to convert the contacts to a version we can open in Excel or Google Sheets so that if we need to make any adjustment, we can see it. So just come to this website. They call it vcfexcelconverter.com. So just open it. Then you drag your contact from your computer and just drop it inside here like that. So as long as Excel is connected, is selected here, just leave it as it is and click on convert. So you will now have this option where you can download it from here. So I just click on download and the contact will now be saved on computer. So now we can now open it in either Excel or Google Sheets. So if you have Excel, you can use that. If not, you can just open Google Sheets. So just open your Chrome browser. On these three dots at the top here, you see Sheets. Just close to your picture. There's always a 9 dots here. Just click Sheets. Or you can just type in your browser and just type Google Sheet in your browser. You should see it. So it's easier from here. I just select Sheet. Then I'll click on New. So come to File and I'll say Imports. File Imports. So I'll click on Upload. Then I can go and drag the one we just downloaded now. So I'll drag it from my computer and I'll paste it inside here. So then I'll click on import data. So my contacts have been imported. Let me open them. So I just double click on this center port to open it. So you can now go through them and see if there's anyone you want to remove. If there's any of them that does not need to be here, you can remove it. Now there's a way you can actually use ChatGPT to clean up these things, but if they are okay,
that's totally fine. If everything here is fine, every contact here is okay to make use of. So all you need to do is to come to file and click on download. Then you change it to this comma separated value. So this is the one you select, and the files will be downloaded into your system, which we can now go ahead and upload into Promage.io. But if you need to clean it up, let's open our ChatGPT now. Let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to clean up this data. So based on the people we have worked with, I discovered that we usually have like 4 ways in which we will save their contacts. Now, the first set of people are those people that usually have some specific word they add to the contact name when they are saving it. Either they will say Promage customer, PVC, pay students. Some of them will say VIP clients, etc. So whatever it is, if you fall into that category, so just come inside here, this place, and change the value here. So you might not be able to change it. So if you cannot change it, just copy everything here. So I'll just copy everything here, open my ChatGPT, and I'll paste it. So I'll go and change it here now. So if you have any specific tag you normally add to the name when you're saving your contact, so just type it and change it here. So the Excel file that we downloaded from here, that particular one we downloaded, that's the one we are going to bring to this place now. So I'll just come here and drag it and put here. So that's what we are going to use, and it's going to do the cleaning up for us. Now the second set of people are those that almost all my contact are customers. So maybe some people have a special phone that they use, and almost everybody on their contacts is customers, just very few people that are not. So you don't tag contact, but 80 to 100% of your phone book is business related. So you don't, so if you don't have any tag, so you just copy this particular prompt like this, you copy it, and that's the one you will use inside your ChatGPT instead. Now the third set of people are those ones that say I did not tag, but I have missed contact. So you have customers, friends, families, and all of them in the same book, and there's no way you can differentiate them. So those people, just copy this contact as it is now. So the thing that will help you to exclude them is that what I added to the prompt is exclude contacts that clearly appear to be family, mom, dad, brother, sisters, uncle, romantic relationship like bae, my love, etc. Pure nicknames and no business indicator. So if you have any other thing you want to add to this, you can just go add it. Maybe you normally have some people like church. Some people normally add church member to the contacts. Maybe you have a schoolmate, the name of your school. So if you want to exclude all of those ones, you can add it here so that it excludes those particular people. So you copy it here, and that's what you're going to use for your ChatGPT. Now the fourth one is that I want everything clean, no filtering. So use this. If you want all your contacts clean and exported, you are okay sending message to everybody. So if you're among the people that probably all the contacts in your phone, your customers, so the only thing you want to do is to probably to remove duplicates. Maybe if you save one more than once, not, let me show you for example now. So like if you check this particular contact now, see that there are some emojis on it. So these are some of the things that you might want to clean, like middle fund down. So you can see this one now, they have some this thing at the end. So because when we are sending these messages to them, we are going to use these names. So you don't want some emojis to be part of the names that you are sending to them. It will look somehow. So that's just what we are trying to do. Like you see this person now, so I say MJ, then with all these emojis on it, it's not going to be nice. So it's better this thing just made as MJ. At least the person maybe is Mary Jones or whatever. So, but these emojis, look at this one's now. It has globe. It doesn't make sense to send somebody, and this is part of the name that you are addressing the person as. So that's just the only one. So if you are okay with all your contact, just use this last prompt here. Use this last prompt here, and you just copy this one, and this is the one you will use. So just help you and claim it and remove all those things. So I'll just go ahead and click on send. Right. So it's done claiming them now. So I can just go ahead and download. So it gave us a summary of what it did. So extracted, he has over 1,000 contacts, total rows, total removed. So it's just giving us a brief of what he did and what he removed. So no phone number edited, no phone number. So I'll just go ahead and download it now. So I will repeat the same format I did because I still want to open this in Excel and be sure that all the names that are here, okay, you can't really trust AI 100% to do business for you. So you still have to just glance through it at least to be sure that everything is fine. So I'll just go ahead and click on import in my Excel. Then I'll come to upload. Then I'll drag that contact and I'll drop it here. So that will just help me to click on import data. So I open So now let's open it. I'll just double clicking between A and B. So if I double click in between A and B to make it B, double click and double. The important thing for us is this their first name, because that's what we are going to be writing for them. We don't necessarily need their last name. So like this one, I still have JC Bromage customer. I'm not really concerned because the last name is not of a concern, because this is the name that is going to appear when the messages are being sent to them. So you just want to make sure that these names here are exactly what you want. So as you can see, it has removed those emojis for us. Those things are out. So that's just what you want to be sure of. And you want to also glance through it and be sure that all the people here, people that you are ready to send messages to. So if you see anybody that you don't want to send to, so you can just go ahead and maybe delete. You can just say delete rows. So you just go ahead and delete them like that. So that's just how you glance through it. So just make sure you remove anyone that you don't want messages to be sent to. Just select them and right click and say delete row. So that's just basically it. Now, so once you are done and you are sure everything is okay, so you just come over here and click on download. Then you are going to use comma separated value. This is the version we need this time around. So I'll just select comma separated value. So once this one is downloaded, we are good to go. So this is exactly what we need, and we are going to import it into Promage.io database.
So the software we are making use of is Promage.io, which is actually an all-in-one AI-powered marketing and sales automation software for Nigerian businesses. So it's actually the backbone, the infrastructure that is powering Revieme. So you just come to where it says contact. On your left hand side, you see contact. So once I click on contacts, I'll click here to say import. Then I'll click next. Then I can now upload the file I just downloaded from Excel now. So the first name is right. Everything should just be okay for now. So I click on next as well, and everything is going to be imported. So I'll just make sure I click here and confirm. Then I click on start bulk import, and all the contacts are imported. So once you do that, we will take it over from there, and we're able to send customized messages to all these people that you uploaded here.